Hey there, food lovers and home chefs. Welcome back to our channel. I've got something super exciting for you. Are you ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, having the right tools in your kitchen can make all the difference. That's why I've scoured Amazon to find the top 7 kitchen gadgets that are absolute must-haves for any kitchen. From cutting-edge tech to time-saving tools, these gadgets are not only practical but also super fun to use. So, stick around because you definitely don't want to miss out on these game changers. Alright, let's dive right in and check out the top 7 kitchen gadgets you need from Amazon. Ready? Let's go! First on our list is the mixing bowls with Airtight Lids Set from Umite Chef. This 26-piece set is a must-have, boasting a 4.7-star rating from over 1,400 reviews. Made from durable stainless steel, these bowls are rust-resistant and dent-proof. They come with airtight lids to prevent spills, and the 3.5 QT bowl has a handy removable lid for easy use with blenders. The set includes 17 kitchen tools and 3 grater attachments, perfect for slicing, grating, and shredding directly into the bowls. The non-slip silicone bottoms ensure stability while mixing, and they nest together for easy storage. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Available in khaki, black, and colorful options, and priced at $43.99 with a 10% coupon, these bowls are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Don't miss out on this Amazon's choice product. Next up, we have the silicone faucet handle drip catcher tray mat from VEKAYA, a fantastic addition to your kitchen sink accessories. This versatile mat, priced at just $9.99, has a 4.0-star rating from over 4,000 reviews and is a hot seller with over 6,000 purchases last month. Made from 100% silicone, this mat is soft, durable, and easy to clean. Unlike fabric mats that stay wet and take time to dry, this mat features a unique 5-degree slope design for faster water discharge and drying, keeping your countertop dry and spotless. It's not just a drying mat, it's also a handy organizer for your sponge, dish soap, and other kitchen essentials. Available in various sizes and colors, this mat blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Next on our list is the Royal Craft wood wooden cutting boards for kitchen meal prep and serving. This bamboo wood set includes 3 perfectly sized boards, 9 inches by 6 inches, 12 inches by 8 inches, and 15 inches by 10 inches, making it a versatile kitchen essential. These cutting boards are designed with deep juice grooves to catch any excess liquids and side handles for easy carrying. They are lightweight, stain-resistant, and eco-friendly, perfect for all your chopping, slicing, and dicing needs. Whether you're prepping meat, vegetables, or creating a charcuterie board, this set has you covered. Enhance your meal prep and serving experience with these durable and stylish bamboo boards from Royal Craft Wood. Next, we have the VEKAYA Mandoline Slicer, a must-have for any kitchen. With a 4.3-star rating from over 2,700 reviews and priced at $43.99, this slicer is top-quality stainless steel with sharp, durable blades. It's adjustable, letting you slice from paper-thin to 9 millimeters thick, perfect for a variety of fruits and vegetables. Safety is key with a protective blade cover, hand holder, and cut-resistant gloves included. It's easy to clean, anti-slip, and makes slicing and dicing a breeze. Whether you're prepping veggies or making a fruit platter, this slicer will save you time and effort. Get the VEKAYA Mandoline Slicer for a more efficient kitchen experience. Let's talk about the unique patented pan lid, utensil, and pot holder from Trivae, priced at $60. This 4-in-1 kitchen gadget is a lid stand, trivet, pan holder, and serving stand all in one. Made from durable aluminum and silicone, it supports lids and dishes up to 10 pounds, making it perfect for hot lids and heavy cookware. Its sleek, collapsible design folds flat for storage and expands to hold large casseroles or act as a cooling rack. With heat-resistant silicone up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps lids inverted to catch drips and provides easy access to lid handles. Stylish and functional, it's a must-have for any kitchen and a perfect gift for cooking enthusiasts. Elevate your kitchen game with this versatile tool from Trivae. Next, we have the upgraded electric salt and pepper grinder set from TOMEEM, an Amazon's Choice product with a stellar 4.7-star rating from 886 reviews, priced at $49.99 with a 17% discount. This sleek stainless steel set features an enhanced capacity, grinding up to 2.3 ounces of pepper at once, perfect for both small and large families. It's rechargeable with a Type-C cable, giving you up to a month of use on a single charge, no more disposable batteries. The high-hardness ceramic grinder offers 5 adjustable coarseness settings, ensuring maximum flavor retention and intense aromas. Lastly, we have the SIMPLI-MAGIC dual compartment recycling kitchen step trash can, a high-capacity solution for your kitchen waste and recycling needs. With a 4.3-star rating from over 1,800 reviews and priced at $124.99, this 60-liter can is both functional and stylish. This trash can features color-coded liners, 30 liters each in green and black, for easy waste sorting. The stainless steel foot pedal ensures hands-free use, keeping your hands clean. The slow-close lid reduces noise and closes gently, while the lid lock keeps it open for longer tasks. Its brushed stainless steel finish is stain-resistant and hides fingerprints, making it easy to maintain. Plus, it has a built-in filter for odor control. Upgrade your kitchen with this efficient and elegant trash can from SIMPLI-MAGIC. And there you have it, folks. Our top 7 must-have kitchen gadgets available on Amazon. From versatile mixing bowls and sleek electric grinders to innovative trash solutions, these products are designed to make your kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!